Yo guys, want free TikTok coins? Well, today I will teach you how to get free coins. So as you can see, I got tons of coins right now. So if you want to get them, go over to this site and just type in TikTok and press on it. This is the mod right here, as you can see. So we're just going to wait for this to download. It shouldn't take that long, so let's just give it a second here, as you can see. So yeah, it's going to download right away. So basically, guys, if you have like a good connection, you shouldn't be waiting that long for this to download. So let's just give it a second to load up. And it's basically going to say that there's some missing files we need to install. So there is a video to watch if you're confused, but basically there's these apps and you just have to download 2 of them and complete instructions. So this one says reach level 5. That one says down and run for 30 seconds. I did Family Island. You have to reach level 10. That one isn't there anymore. But anyway, guys, just make sure you do 2 of them and you should be all set. So I'll see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe because I'm not interested in spending money on TikTok coins. And they would advise you to spend money on TikTok coins, but I won't do it. So yeah, just download 2 of the apps. There's tons of them on here, as you can see. And there is the video, of course. So if you're sucked, then the video should help you. If my explanation is not clear enough. So yeah, pretty easy to do, but be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, if you guys want to get free coins right away, this is going to help you tremendously because TikTok is not an app where anyone should have to pay for coins, but they will charge you and there will be no way to get them for free. But the site I showed in this video, you can actually get free TikTok coins. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super insane and it totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'll see you guys in another video and peace out, bro.